Hey guys, so I wanted to make a video about this incredible tool that, as many people know, when you farm for airdrops, to qualify, you'll need a specific number of transactions. For example, 10 transactions will grant you 500 tokens, 20 or 50 transactions will grant you 3,000 tokens or 3,000 points. The fact is that transactions matter, and this is probably the cheapest way that you can make transactions daily or every other day on all of these chains and all of these upcoming tokens, the base, Scroll, Zora, what else? Chroma, and this is basically a inscription tool. And the best part is that this is really cheap. This is not like minting Zora NFTs, which will cost you around like $4 or $5. This will actually cost you just a few cents, if not zero. So this is definitely insane tool. You can do transactions on all of these upcoming tokens. And another tool I wanted to show you is LayerSwap. This is basically an application in the ZkSync ecosystem, and as we all know, ZkSync will be huge. And my advice is bridge some Ethereum, bridge some tokens from, for example, Binance or Solana to ZkSync era. So you get the transactions, you get the bridge transactions. I think bridge transactions are huge for the airdrops. And many people saw that bridging to Solana through the portal bridge basically qualified you for the wormhole airdrop. And I would definitely recommend you to use this LayerSwap because this is an official app from the ZkSync ecosystem. So yeah, basically these are the tools I wanted to make a video about, and these are really undervalued. I will be using this every single day on the biggest potential airdrops. For example, Base, because Base is layer 2 from Coinbase. And as you understand, Coinbase is the first and the biggest crypto exchange in the world. So when they drop the Base token, it will be insane, as well with Zora and Linea. So check this out. The link is in my bio. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.